What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Misfire. This is a very fun video, and this is pretty much all this channel is going to be going to now, and it's going to be me putting oil in cars. Yeah. So, I've been working on this car and the dually behind me probably last, well, every warm day that's, positive 30 and up, including yesterday, which was like in the 20s, which was really fun. We have a pellet stove that's in here, and it's like a pellet, kind of like one of those propane heaters, but it's a pellet version of it. So, but the caveat is if you don't keep up with the fire stuff, it gets smoky. And when I came in the house, I smelled like I was like sitting in front of a campfire all day long, which was not fun. But this car is very close to running. That one's probably a couple hours away from wiring being done. I'm gonna put a stereo in that, so that'll take a little bit longer. But this car is very close. Like, I need to put the battery in, finish getting that wiring buttoned up, I'm putting oil in it. It needs water. I need to like attach the lines to the fuel tank. I ran all the fuel line last 2 days. I've gotten all that in, starters in. Belts are good now. I swapped over the carb stud or the carb spacer because the last one I had was a 1-inch, and that was, making this. I had to cut a hole in the hood for it to fit, and that's no good. But yeah, so we got a whole bunch of stuff done. Hopefully that'll be done, and I'll get this video out next week is my goal for you guys. But I just wanted to give you a video this week, so that way I'm keeping up with my 1 video a week streak, and let you guys get a lowdown on like, why don't I see videos? Why don't I see that? Why don't I see this? That's why. So it's very close to being running. That's very close to be running. I was hoping to have a video out on the Nova just doing some basic stuff, but that didn't go very well because I was working on this, and I was hoping this would be running by like noon today. That didn't happen. So we had a big debacle with the fuel tank, and that was utterly miserable. Trying to get that kind of thing figured out and functioning again. But yeah, that's kind of the basis of everything that's going on right now. Be sure to check back in the next couple weeks as we got a whole lot of cool fun stuff going on, and hopefully next month is when a whole lot of fun stuff starts. There's a couple car shows we're going to and a couple races potentially, so be sure to be ready for those. And if anyone wants to come hang out and do stuff with us in Eastern Tennessee area, we'll be at Bristol a lot. We're going to Rod Run, Pigeon Forge area. We are inviting you guys if you want to come say hey, come hang out. We will be there. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys later. I got oil to put in the engine. VR1, the good stuff. See you guys later. Let's not leak this all over everything.